Hello! Today I wanted to share with you an easy air fryer salmon recipe that's so delicious, so quick to make, anyone can do it. So we're going to start with the sauce. I'm going to get a bowl out and add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Use low sodium. You can also use coconut aminos. Then we're going to add half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey, and then 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Yes, give all of these ingredients a good mix. Of course, it will not mix perfectly, but it's good enough. So the next thing, I'm going to get my plate out with salmon fillets, and I'm going to actually flip salmon fillets so that they are skin up. And we're going to pour over the mixture of the sauce and let them sit with skin facing upwards for 5 to 10 minutes. So just put it aside and let it be. Now, I'm going to preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes. There's an option for that. Just click the button and let it do its thing. Once it's preheated, I'm going to pop the basket out. It's going to be very hot, so be careful. We're going to spray the basket with 2 pumps of olive oil, just 2 pumps, to prevent it from sticking, because the skin of salmon does stick to it. I'm going to place salmon fillets skin down. Yes, skin down. You will actually hear it sizzling. Be careful because it's hot. Pour over the leftover sauce all over the salmon fillets because we want them covered, nice and sweet. So now I'm going to take the basket and pop it back into the air fryer, and this time we want to air fry it for 7 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit degrees or 200 Celsius degrees, and that's it. Once we're ready, we're going to let them cook and pop them out of the basket, and I'm going to serve this salmon with some greens that I just cooked up. You can also serve them with salad. So this is a total of 2 servings with around 290 calories in each. So much protein, so many healthy fats. This air fryer salmon is sweet, umami, delicious, and so filling. Enjoy. For a recipe, go to allnutritious.com, like and subscribe, and bye-bye.